going to show you how to change the hand pieces in your SaeboStretch resting hand splint. The majority of users will be fine with the red hand piece that's already in the splint, but if you have a lot of associated reactions and your hand claws a lot when wearing this, you may want to try the more flexible yellow. If you've got a very heavy floppy hand that just weighs the end of the splint down, you may want to try a slightly stronger blue. So at the end of the forearm there is a little zip that allows you to remove the liner. Zip this right off. And take the metalwork out of the splint. You've then got these 3 screws across the handpiece. So with the screwdriver that's provided, you don't need to take these out, we just loosen them very slightly, enough to slide the hand plate out. Make sure it's the right way around, push it back in and then tighten up. You can also see on this underside, if the thumb metalwork causes too much of a stretch on your thumb and you're very tight in the web space, you can reduce the angle by undoing that screw. That allows the thumb metalwork to be adjusted accordingly.